Hey y'all, it's Chrissy Faith here and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope y'all are doing well out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more video vibes from your girl. And let's get into this video. So in this video, I wanted to talk about my follow-up on my thoughts, my likes, dislikes about Brazilian wax. So I got my first wax back in October, right before my birthday, for the first time. And let me tell you, I was scared. I even filmed a video. If you want to go check that out, it's funny, it's cool. They did not let me film in there, so you can't see my actual reaction, but still go check it out. It was a cool video. In this video, I'm gonna let you know, am I still rocking with the Brazilian? Do I think it's worth the money, the pain? Pros and cons of doing it, I think, like versus shaving versus waxing, like, yeah. And any tips or things I've been doing to help with my process. So let's get into this video. Like I said, I got my first wax back in October. I was scared shitless, never want to do it, but once I had a baby, I realized, like, can nothing be worse than that pain? So you'll probably be able to make it out alive. With that video, when you first get a wax, you need to have like at least like 3 weeks of hair so they can be able to like rip that shit on out of there, you know? One thing that they always say is that it gets better over time, like it gets easier. I think it depends on who you see. I would definitely try out 2 to 3 different people to see how their waxing style is, if it's less painful, because I do feel like it's different between different people. Like certain people pull the hair differently. Other people like really, you know how they're supposed to lay their hand down on the area to help with the pain. Some people do that better than others. I definitely feel like if you find somebody that you like their waxing style, stick with them so you could just have a very like cohesive, very consistent waxing experience. Also, it gets better if you continue to do it consistently. Every 4 weeks, go get your wax. You do it consistently, it gets better. The pain gets easier. It's not as bad. It's not as traumatizing as it is the first time around. Your hair, okay girl, your hair grows, like the more you do it, it grows less and less and thinner and thinner. I thought they was lying to me when they said that, but it's facts, girl. Like the last time I just got a wax, like a week ago, I barely had any hair. Like I was in and out. I was like, we done? You don't want to talk? You don't want to? All right, cool, thank you. You know, it was so quick and easy. So the more you do it, the less and less and the slower your hair grows out. Amazeballs. Amazing. Okay? All right. Another thing. If you suffer with ingrown hairs, try Brazilian waxing. When I tell you my ingrown hairs have significantly gone down due to waxing. Shaving is not your friend. I'm sorry. Like, I was telling you, I was going to tell you like the pros and the cons, since there are none. I feel like shaving in no way, the only thing that shaving trumps Brazilian waxing is pain. Because with shaving, it's painless. But that's the only benefit I see that you get from shaving that you can't get from waxing. That just hit my face. Abusive. Okay, anyway. Yeah, that's the only benefit that you get. Trust me, it's not worth it. Your hair is like growing less and thinner. You won't have as much ingrown hairs. And you'll be hair free longer. Shaving, that should come back 3 days, okay? Like, it's like, why am I even doing this? What's the point of it all? So I would definitely say, if you're like looking to wax, you on a fence about it, try it. It gets better. Your first time, you gotta jump over, take that leap of faith, and it gets better, sis. It gets so much better. Now, the things that I've been using to help decrease my ingrown hairs and just making my kitty cat a lot more smoother, you definitely want to buy you a good exfoliator. Now, you can make your own DIY scrub, and I've been thinking about making one with like the lemon oil with a little bit of aloe vera gel with some sugar and different stuff like that. I may make it, I don't know, we'll see. Just make sure it has sugar in it, has that exfoliator. Exfoliate every day, and it's just gonna make your skin so smooth. It's gonna get that dead skin off so new cells can come out, so it's lighter if you suffer with like discoloration due to shaving. Like, yeah, it's definitely gonna help. I also recommend it, and this is what the girl recommended to me. She recommended Lush Angels on Bare Skin. I haven't tried it yet, but I love Lush products. They're amazing. I have been exfoliating with another sugar scrub, so definitely use that. And she also recommended Witch Hazel Thayer's, the Thayer's brand. I love it. It smells so good, bro, and it's been helping so much. I can already see like my skin is lightening. It's so amazing. Girl, I gotta have the smoothest, most even toned kitty cat on the planet. Okay, 2020 goes. All right. So definitely exfoliate. Also, do not use any oils down there like coconut oil, nothing like that. You trying to get your hair to not grow. That's key. So don't use any oils down there. Are you not supposed to have sex? I think 24 hours after. Who knows? I think the friction of it all. But you're not supposed to take showers, you know. No. But please take a shower. Please. You're not supposed to take a hot bath. Like, you're not supposed to submerge yourself in water afterwards because your pores are open. So this is just, there's so many other tips, but these are just the things that I've been doing. I've been doing physical exfoliators. I'll use glycolic acid down there too as well, and that's the exfoliator. So that's good. So just make sure you're exfoliating. That's going to help with the ingrown hairs to get your hair smooth. And then when you do wax, you definitely want to do a good exfoliation before, so you can get all those hairs out and ready to be pulled. But my Brazilian wax experiences so far, I'm definitely sold on it. I will never shave again. I am definitely hooked to getting Brazilian waxes. So if you are afraid but you want to get on the wax game, you know, you want to join that wax game, I think you should. Like, most definitely. Girl, once the pain gets easier, because as you go on and on, your hair gets thinner, it gets less coarse, and it's not growing as much and as fast. Okay, so it gets better, and it's just like 1, 2, 3, you're done. You're absolutely done, and then you have a smooth kitty cat for like at least 2 weeks. I don't know the growth rate of your kitty cat hairs, but at least you're gonna get like 2 weeks out of the thing. Yes, try it. Stop being scared and try it. It's been a game changer. It's so smooth. It's nice. It's just nice in every way. I think it's nice for everybody. It's nice for you, your man, your partner, whoever, your girl. It don't matter. They gonna thank you for it. They gonna thank you. Okay, so yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about my experience or what I think, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers out there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.